Hello friends, welcome to Viewers Place. This is a highlight on the oldest tie drinking board. Although this is very oldest tie, still if any new generation see, you will still like it. You can see it's a chemical reaction. Just you need the glass of water and this tie. This board, this duck will start drinking unlimited for the infinite time until this bird get the water, start drinking. The chemical will come out upside, then it will bend this into the water. Again it will reverse the same reaction and it will repeat like a cycle. Very interesting time. Thanks for watching my channel. Please share my channel. Thank you.